forget to like and subscribe. So then guys, welcome to another episode of Goals Garage, and today we're going to be fitting the Sunstrip to the Golf. So I'm just going to show you what we're up to now. Basically, I've just put it on the car, shut the door so I can like get a feel for where I want it to be, and then I'm going to measure the distance. So as you can see, it's a bit dusty on one side, but I'll sort it out. Obviously, I'll clean it and that. I just think that'll look pretty nice, the depth, and I've got in the car and seen how much visibility I still have, so yeah, I think that's perfect. Then guys, I've just measured it and I'm going to do it at 180mm down. 180mm on the middle brings you just to between these two dots, maybe out covering those two dots, so hopefully we can get it in perfect straight line all the way across. I'm going to put a bit of sellotape so I can guide myself down. I've only got sellotape, not masking tape, so I'm going to just use this. Obviously it's clear, but it'll be alright. I'm going to go with a straight look because I think I prefer it. Just obviously makes the roof look extended and makes the car look lower, as you can see from this view. So yeah, I'm going to put the tape on now and then start doing it. Okay, so now, as you can see, I've got my tape to mark the position of where I'm going to stick on this side and where I'm going to stick on that side, and we'll just glue it down and brush all the bubbles out on that. So yeah, we're just going to get started on that. I've just give it a clean where I'm going to stick it. I don't really need to clean the rest of the windscreen. But yeah, me and Wilson are going to get started on this and just do a quick time lapse, and I'll show you the end result. So then guys, as you can see, we've now stuck it on and we're going to start cutting it. It's looking good, makes the car look a lot lower, extends the roof down a bit. So yeah, I'll just start cutting this off and show you the finished product at the end. So then guys, as you can see, I've now finished the wrap on the Sunstrip. So then guys, also in the video of the Sunstrip, it's a few days after we've done it, so that's it there in it's all its glory. We're changing the number plate, and as you can see, I've got the proper gold plate. It's proper good, it looks way better than the old plate. So yeah, we're just gonna get that changed over. I've already done it all on my insurance and everything, but yeah, that's the old one. Obviously it's got the two screw holes and they won't be covered by the plate because it's a smaller plate, but I aren't too bothered because when I sell the car I will be having the plate put back on, so it doesn't bother me too much, and same on the back, don't bother me too much, but yeah, it's obviously going to be a little bit annoying, but I'm not too bothered because when I put the plate back on, it'll cover those holes because I'll just screw it back on, and then the new owner, when I sell it, can do what they want to do with it. But yeah, let's go get these on, and I'll be with you shortly. So as you can see the holes, and it has got that little border there, but I think that looks a lot better. Pokes down a little bit over the grill, but it doesn't look too bad. But yeah, I'm liking that a lot nicer now. But yeah, so we'll move round to the back one and do that one. This one I think is going to look way better than the one did before, because obviously it'll look better because it's shorter, but also this one's got like this little hole in it in that corner, so I think it'll make that look a lot better as well. So change that now. Looking at that, I might wrap it gloss black directly down to the diffuser when I change my diffuser. So yeah, that might be an upcoming video, just to make it that little bit more meaner looking at the back. But yeah, we'll put the new plate on now. So guys, I forgot to film an outro to the video, so this is the outro, so thanks for watching. See you in the next one, and that's what the car's looking like. So yeah, catch you in the next one.